Welcome back to Auto 01, your go-to channel for pure automotive passion, where we talk about performance cars, daily drivers, supercars, and everything in between. On this channel we break down cars in a simple and honest way so enthusiasts and future buyers can really understand what makes each machine special. Today on Auto 01 we are diving deep into one of the most exciting enthusiast cars expected for the coming model year, the 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 Touring, a car that represents driving purity, understated design, and race-bred engineering without screaming for attention. The 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 Touring is all about subtle aggression and mechanical excellence. Unlike the standard GT3 with its massive fixed rear wing, the Touring package removes that wing and replaces it with an automatically deploying rear spoiler, giving the car a cleaner and more classic 911 silhouette. This makes the GT3 Touring perfect for buyers who want supercar performance without the visual drama. At first glance it looks elegant and restrained, but make no mistake, underneath that refined exterior is a hardcore performance machine built with motorsport DNA. Design-wise, the GT3 Touring stays true to Porsche's timeless styling philosophy. The front end features large functional air intakes designed to cool the high-revving engine and massive brakes. The headlights maintain the iconic 911 shape, blending tradition with modern LED technology. Along the sides, the bodywork is wide and planted, with subtle aerodynamic enhancements that improve stability at high speeds without drawing too much attention. At the rear, the absence of the big wing allows the smooth curves of the 911 to shine, while the centrally mounted exhaust tips and aggressive diffuser still hint at the car's true purpose. Under the hood, the 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 Touring is expected to continue using Porsche's legendary naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine. This engine is one of the last of its kind in an era dominated by turbocharging and electrification. It is known for its incredible throttle response, linear power delivery, and spine-tingling sound. Power output is expected to remain around the 500 horsepower mark, with an engine redline close to 9,000 revolutions per minute. This motor is derived directly from Porsche's racing programs, and it shows in the way it loves to be revved hard and driven aggressively. One of the biggest highlights of the GT3 Touring is the transmission choice. Porsche continues to offer a 6-speed manual gearbox for purists who want full control and engagement. The manual transmission delivers a raw and connected driving experience that few modern cars can match. For those who prefer quicker shifts and maximum performance, Porsche also offers the lightning-fast PDK dual-clutch transmission. Both options provide their own unique character, allowing buyers to choose between traditional involvement or cutting-edge speed. Performance figures for the 2026 GT3 Touring are expected to be extremely impressive. With its lightweight construction and high power output, the car can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds with the PDK transmission. Top speed is expected to exceed 190 miles per hour depending on configuration, but straight-line speed is only a small part of the story. The real magic of the GT3 Touring lies in its handling and balance. The chassis setup is heavily inspired by motorsport. The car features advanced suspension with adaptive dampers, lightweight components, and rear-wheel steering for improved agility. On a winding road or racetrack, the GT3 Touring feels incredibly precise and confidence-inspiring. Steering feedback is exceptional, allowing the driver to feel every nuance of the road surface. The car feels alive in your hands, responding instantly to inputs and rewarding skilled driving. Braking performance is equally impressive. The GT3 Touring comes standard with high-performance steel brakes that provide immense stopping power and consistency. For those who want the ultimate setup, Porsche offers optional carbon ceramic brakes which reduce unsprung weight and improve fade resistance during aggressive driving. These brakes not only perform exceptionally well but also add a visual edge with their large calipers and distinctive rotors. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 Touring blends luxury with purpose. The interior is driver-focused, with supportive sport seats, high-quality materials, and a layout designed for maximum control. Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber accents create a premium yet sporty atmosphere. Despite its track-focused nature, the GT3 Touring remains surprisingly comfortable for daily use, offering features like climate control, advanced infotainment, and modern connectivity options. Technology in the GT3 Touring is refined but not overwhelming. Porsche understands that this car is about driving first, so the digital displays and driver assistance systems are designed to support rather than distract. The central infotainment system provides navigation, smartphone integration, and audio controls, while the digital instrument cluster can display performance data for those who want to analyze their driving. One of the most appealing aspects of the GT3 Touring is its versatility. It is a car that can be driven to work during the week, taken on long road trips, and unleashed on the track during the weekend. It offers the raw excitement of a race car combined with the usability of a well-engineered sports car. This balance is something Porsche has perfected over decades, and the 2026 GT3 Touring is expected to continue that tradition. In terms of ownership, the GT3 Touring is likely to remain a highly desirable and limited production model. Demand for GT3 variants consistently exceeds supply, which often results in long waiting lists and strong resale values. For enthusiasts, this car is not just a mode of transportation, but a statement of passion and appreciation for true driving experiences. The 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 Touring represents the essence of what makes Porsche special. It is a celebration of naturally aspirated performance, driver engagement, and timeless design. In a world moving rapidly toward electrification and automation, cars like the GT3 Touring remind us why we fell in love with driving in the first place. It is not just about speed or numbers, but about feel, sound, and connection between car and driver. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 Touring and want more honest car reviews, specs, and feature breakdowns, make sure to subscribe to Auto01, like the video, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Your support helps the channel grow, and we will see you in the next video.